Check out Musesonly on their socials as well. I will leave them on the screen here. But yeah, let's get started. So I have picked out like a variety of different sets so you can see like the different styles and the different like kind of things that they have. So first of all, I'm going to start with this one. So this is just like a classic leggings and sports bra set. These are the softest thing I've ever found in my life. Oh my god. So I'll show you the leggings first. So these are what they look like. They're just like a normal standard pair of leggings. They do look quite short, but I feel like because they are gym leggings, they will definitely stretch and be long enough for me. The thing I love about these leggings is they're nice and high-waisted. Like, look at that big thick panel there. So they're going to be really flattering when they're on. They're going to hold everything in so you don't feel insecure. Yeah, they are just plain. I love the colour of this. They kind of match the colour of the jacket that I've got on. I'm really into like reds and oranges at the minute, so these like a perfect like in between of that. Sometimes less is more with gym sets. Like, you don't want things that are like covered in patterns and things like that. You want something that's just like a nice colour but quite simple. So these do have the branding on the back, as you can see there. But yeah, that is pretty much it for the leggings. They're just like a really nice soft, like these are super soft, stretchy, comfy material. So those are the leggings, and I'll show you the matching crop top. So these double up as like a crop top and sports bra in one. It's like a cute little v-neck. I think as well with these, you don't have to just wear them as the set. You could definitely get away with wearing them with jeans, with joggers, like with any other things as well. The quality of this again is unreal. It has padding in it, so you don't feel like you need to wear a bra with it. You have got that little bit of support there. But again, with this one, less is more. It's just a plain little vest top, plain at the back, and then again it does have the logo there. I feel like this colour for spring and summer is going to be such a vibe, but I would also wear this with like, imagine like a grey blazer over the top, some chunky trainers. You can do that with literally all of these sets. Whack on a blazer and some trainers, and that's a sick outfit. I got both of these in a small, and I'm a UK 8 to 10 for reference. This next little set that I've got, these actually, I don't think they like go together. There is other things that match, but I thought these would look really cute together. So I'll show you the top first, because this is my absolute favourite piece out of all of these things. I have already tried this on. So it's like a little pink ribbed crop top, and then you'll see this better when it's on. It's going to look a bit odd, like with these little strings dangling, but these strings kind of cross over and go around your waist. Not that you know what that means when I'm holding it like that, but you'll see it on the try on clip. It's honestly the most flattering and beautiful top. And it doesn't even look like a gym top. Like, you can definitely wear this with leggings, you can definitely wear it with jeans, joggers, anything. It's so cute. Really soft, pink, stretchy, cottony rib material. And yeah, I'm just in love with that. It's so cute and so girly. And again, it just has the logo at the back. The thing that I got to match those was just a white pair of cycling shorts. These shorts are so nice when they're on. I really struggle with cycling shorts. Sometimes they're too long, sometimes they're too short. These are like the perfect length, and I love the fact that they're white. Like, they look like plain cycling shorts, but when you come up close, they've actually got this detail at the bottom, which is like, I don't really know how to explain that. It's not netted, but it's got like little air holes in it. So they're just so cute, and I love a fresh pair of white cycling shorts, and with like a blazer. I keep saying blazer, but you know what I mean, like, you don't just have to wear them to the gym. So again, these are the same like material as the leggings, whether that's super, they feel like that peach skin kind of material. They're really, really soft. And then I love these because at the back it's got the logo, but it's in red, which is a bit different. I love these, and I think with a baggy t-shirt as well, like a big oversized baggy t-shirt, whack these on, sick. Love those. I also got both of those, and I think I got everything in a size small, but I will double check. But yeah, I got both of those in a size small. Oh, this next set is a little bit different. So I'll show you the top first. This top is so cute. Halter necks are really in this season, so to have a halter neck gym top is perfect. And it's just this fresh, crisp white one, and obviously it goes around your neck like that. I love how it's a little bit lower at the back, so you're not too covered up at the back. I think it's really girly and nice when you have like your back out. Like, I love anything that's back, whether it's dresses, tops, anything. As long as your back's out, I think it's really nice. This one also does have the little cups in there for support if you wanted to, but of course you can take them out. There is like a little slit at the side where you can pull them out if you wanted to. But if you don't want to wear a bra with this, I think it's perfect to have the little slits in there. And then at the back, again, it just has the little logo at the side there, which is really cute. And the fact that this is white as well, like, you can mix and match any of these sets together. Like, I would definitely put this white with these purple, these like orangey leggings. I think that would be so cute. So to go with the white little crop top, I picked up these joggers. So you can get joggers on Musesonly as well. It's not just like purely leggings, shorts, cycling shorts, that kind of vibe. You can actually get joggers. So to go with the little white crop top, I thought these would go really nice. They're like a wide leg, I was gonna say khaki, but more of like a sage kind of green colour pair of joggers. The quality of these is unreal. They feel really soft, but they don't feel like normal joggers. They're kind of like a, I don't really know what material. If I show you this, I feel like you'll be able to tell what material they are. Again, they've got a really thick elasticated waistband, so they're going to be really, really flattering on. So if you are one of them people that doesn't want to wear something skin tight to the gym, I feel like these are perfect. The only thing is they do look a little bit short for me. But I am 5'7" and I have got long legs, so we will see. You can wear them as like wide legs, or they've got like a little toggle so you can pull them in and make them like the cuff joggers. And then they do have pockets on the front, and then the logo is embroidered on these. It just says 1 in little white writing. I think this is so cute, and I think this with white is such a cute little summer outfit. This colour is really in right now as well, this green. Everybody's wearing green, whether it's like forest green, sage green, mint green, khaki. So I'm in love with them. I just hope that they are long enough for me. But I feel like even if they are a little bit short, if I wear them like that, you should be able to get away with it. So moving on, I think again this is going to be one of my favourite sets out of the whole haul because this colour is so beautiful. So we've gone back to like the leggings kind of style, but these ones are a little bit different. So they do have that thick flattering waistband, but they do have like lines on these ones. Look at the colour of these. They're like a stone kind of nude. I am in love with this colour. This colour is definitely my favourite out of all of them, I think. But if you wanted to go for something more like spring summer, you can definitely go for one of the brighter sets that they've got on there. They've got so many different colours and styles on there. You could actually be looking all day, and there is definitely something for everyone on there. The thing I love about these leggings, I think they're going to be super flattering on your bum because they do have like a bum cut out details. They give you that little bit of lift. If you need some help back there like me, these are perfect. But it's just the colour more than anything that sold them to me. I'm in love with this colour. And they do also have like a line down each leg, and then they have the logo at the back there in silver, so it's really nice and subtle. But the colour of these, the style of them, the fit, everything about them, I love those. I feel like having nice new gym wear actually makes you excited to go to the gym. Like I'm so excited to wear all of this to the gym. Little bit scared about the gym part, but to look cute at the gym, love this. And then this is the matching top, so it's just like a scoop neck little crop top, but it's got the racer kind of back, so it's a little bit different to all the other ones. So it's the exact same stone colour as the leggings. It does again have like the little cups in there. You can take them out if you wanted to. I would definitely be leaving them in. And then the logo for this one is at the back, like at the top, which is a little bit different to the others. And I like the fact that it's silver, so it's not too in your face, but it is still there. I think this is so cute, and I'll definitely be wearing this with like grey joggers and stuff. These are like perfect for layering as well. Like if you're wearing a tracksuit, like I would wear this underneath this jacket. So moving on to the last set, and this is like a proper summer gym set. This might not be for everyone. Like some people don't want to be showing this much skin when they're at the gym, but I don't mind it. Like if it's going to be sweaty and hot in the summer in the gym, you need something that still looks cute, still appropriate for the gym, but it's going to keep you cool. So these are another option for the gym. So some people do like short shorts. I am one of those people that does like short shorts, so I would happily wear these into the gym. They've got the really thick flattering waistband on them again, so you can wear them nice and high-waisted. And they are just this beautiful hot pink colour. They've got like silver reflective stripes either side of them, which is really cute. And then this is what they look like at the back. They do have like that bum like detailing at the back, so they're going to be really flattering when they're on. And then the logo is just in pink at the top in the middle. These are so cute. And like I said, I know they're not going to be for everyone. Not everyone likes to wear short shorts to the gym. So I actually styled these with a white blazer over the top. Like white blazer, pink glasses. You can even do pink heels with these if you wanted to. I just think they're so cute. And then moving on to the matching top. This top is so cute as well, so I kind of need to work out how it goes. It's not going to look like much while I'm holding it here, but when I've tried it on, you'll see how it goes. So it kind of like crosses over at the front, and then just like a standard little pink cute crop top. I feel like you definitely can't tell what I mean, but it looks like that from the front, but then it looks like that from the back. This is definitely not making sense. But this is so cute and so girly as well. I love the fact that it's like quite small, but it's still appropriate for the gym. And then this one does just have the logo again in silver at the back with the cups in them. Again, I got both of those in a size small. That is everything that I picked up from Musesonly. I'm absolutely obsessed with every single thing that I got. Definitely going to be placing another order soon because hopefully I'm going to stick to the gym. I am going to stick to the gym. It's never too late to start your New Year resolutions, so I know we're in May, but I'm going to start it now. A massive shout out to Musesonly for sponsoring this video. I'm just obsessed with your brand, and I just need a lot more in my wardrobe, to be honest.